stuff back in. This is fun, huh?
3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
Catch it. Get it up, quick, get it.
Is that going to blow me up?
Oh, here we go. There we go. All right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Pop, baby, pop. Alright. That was pretty fun, huh?
Yeah.
Look at Coco's chasing the smoke.
Coco! No!